Picture this, a comedy show in full swing. The audience is roaring with laughter. Suddenly, one person's laughter erupts, louder than the rest. It's so infectious that soon, the entire room is caught in a chain reaction of uncontrollable mirth. This, my friends, is contagious laughter at its finest. Contagious laughter is a universal phenomenon, a reflex that transcends cultural boundaries. It's the reason why we can't help but smile when we hear a baby giggle, or why a single chuckle can turn into a room full of guffaws. But what is it about laughter that makes it so contagious? The answer, as with many things in life, lies within the intricate workings of our brains. We are wired to respond to laughter, to mirror the emotions we see and hear in others. This involuntary response is deeply rooted in our evolutionary history, serving as a powerful tool for social bonding and communication. In this essay, we'll delve into the fascinating science behind contagious laughter. We'll explore the brain mechanisms that make us susceptible to its infectious nature and examine real-life examples that illustrate its power. So buckle up and get ready for a journey into the world of laughter, where science and humor collide. Contagious laughter is like a social glue, binding us together through shared amusement and joy. It's an instinctive response, often occurring before we even have time to process what we find funny. Think about it. Have you ever laughed at a joke you didn't understand simply because everyone else was laughing? This automatic reaction is a testament to the power of social influence. We are highly attuned to the emotional states of others, especially in group settings. When we hear laughter, our brains interpret it as a signal of safety, amusement, and social connection. This signal triggers a cascade of physiological and neurological responses, prompting us to join in the merriment. Our facial muscles mimic the expressions we see, our breathing patterns synchronize with those around us, and our brains release endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that make laughter so pleasurable. The contagious nature of laughter is not limited to face-to-face interactions. We've all experienced the phenomenon of laughing while watching a sitcom or listening to a funny podcast. Even without physical presence, the sound of laughter can evoke a similar response in our brains, reminding us of the shared human experience of humor and joy. Let's peer into the fascinating world of neuroscience to understand the mechanisms behind contagious laughter. Research suggests that a specific area of the brain, the auditory cortex, plays a crucial role in this phenomenon. This region, responsible for processing sound, is highly sensitive to the acoustic properties of laughter. When we hear someone laughing, the auditory cortex springs into action, sending signals to other parts of the brain, including the limbic system. This emotional hub of the brain is involved in processing social cues, regulating emotions, and forming memories. Within the limbic system, the amygdala, known for its role in fear and emotional responses, helps us interpret the emotional tone of laughter. Is it genuine amusement or a polite chuckle? This assessment influences our own response. Meanwhile, the hippocampus, responsible for memory formation, connects the sound of laughter to past experiences of shared joy and social connection, further amplifying our urge to join in. This complex interplay of brain regions highlights the intricate neural dance that makes laughter so contagious. The contagious nature of laughter is not just a casual observation, it's a well-documented phenomenon supported by scientific research. Studies using brain imaging techniques, such as fMRI, have shown that hearing laughter triggers activity in the brain regions associated with motor control and facial expressions. In one study, participants were shown funny videos while their brain activity was monitored. The results revealed that merely hearing laughter activated the brain regions responsible for preparing facial muscles to smile and laugh, even before the participants themselves started laughing. Another study focused on the role of social bonds in contagious laughter. Researchers found that people were more likely to laugh in response to laughter from friends and loved ones compared to strangers. This suggests that social closeness amplifies the contagiousness of laughter, highlighting its role in strengthening social bonds. Beyond the lab, anecdotal evidence abounds. Think about a time when you were in a public place and overheard a contagious fit of laughter. Did you find yourself smiling or even chuckling along, even though you had no idea what was so funny? This common experience underscores the powerful and often irresistible nature of contagious laughter. The contagious nature of laughter is more than just a quirky human trait. It's a social superpower with profound implications for our relationships and well-being. Laughter acts as a social lubricant, easing tension, fostering connection, and creating a sense of shared experience. In social settings, contagious laughter can break down barriers, signal shared understanding, and promote group cohesion. It's no coincidence that laughter is often used as an icebreaker in awkward situations or as a way to diffuse conflict. Moreover, the physiological benefits of laughter are well documented. Laughter releases endorphins, which have mood-boosting and pain-relieving effects. It also reduces stress hormones, boosts the immune system, and even provides a mild cardiovascular workout. When we laugh together, we not only experience these benefits ourselves, but we also spread them to those around us, creating a ripple effect of positive emotions and well-being. So the next time you find yourself laughing, remember that you're not just experiencing joy, you're spreading it too. As we've explored, contagious laughter is a fascinating phenomenon that highlights the interconnectedness of our brains, our emotions, and our social lives. It's a reminder that laughter is not just a personal experience, but a shared language that transcends cultural boundaries and connects us on a fundamental human level. Now, I invite you to join the conversation. Have you experienced the irresistible urge to laugh when you hear others doing the same? Share your anecdotes, your observations, and your thoughts on the contagious nature of laughter. Let's keep the laughter going and spread the joy of this remarkable human phenomenon.